god, my friends, I have been waiting for this pair for longer than I would ever admit. I felt like now is the time to really treat myself, to celebrate, and if now is not the time to get this, then never there will be a time to get this. So I kind of bite the bullet and I got them. I ordered them from Farfetch. They came from Browns in Netherlands. This is when I actually got the package because I ordered it to my workplace, and I'll tell you, I don't remember ever being so happy and, you know, literally running to work as that day, actually that night, because I was going to night shift, when I knew what's waiting for me in my workplace building. So here they are. I haven't worn them yet. I saved them for you so we can open it together, but of course I peeked because I waited so long. I couldn't just leave it in the box. They came from Browns, like I said, and you have like a special voucher for their shop if you order through Farfetch with them. Then you have like QR code and like official statement that these are actually original Manolo Blahniks. And then we have the dust bag, which is very nice. It feels like linen kind of material. You ready? Even the paper, you can tell that it's something special. So if you haven't already written your guesses in my community post, now is the time. Pause the video right below. What do you think is in there? All right, your bag, let's go. These are Manolo Blahniks Campari. I took the higher heel, of course, you know me, I need my 10 centimeters. And this is 105. You can actually get these in 90 millimeters as well, but I prefer the higher heel. Okay. Let me just put this down. So here they are in their full glory, and the bottom is still pristine. I only tried them on to see that the size was correct. This thing here, when it's like a sticker to say that it's real leather, the easiest way to remove this without leaving any trace on the shoe is with a hairdryer. So just take a hairdryer, aim it at the sticker, don't go too close but don't be too far. You have to feel that it's kind of getting hotter, and then it will just peel off and wouldn't leave any trace of the glue underneath. So this is the safest, because with this quality shoes, with this type of sole, if you're gonna scratch it with your nails off, you're gonna leave a mark, and you know, you don't want to ruin these babies. At least I wouldn't want to, so I have my ways of preserving them as pristine as possible. So I will show some of the outfits that I plan to wear this with. But my main reason behind this was that I actually do want to wear them on a daily basis. I don't want to have them just for the special occasions. So that was the whole point of, you know, kind of putting it off, because I saw a lot of pre-loved versions where they all have like cracked patent leather here. From walking, this can happen. And with the usual leather shoes, I don't mind, because I know this will happen in time. But with patent leather, I think it just looks... it doesn't look right, so I want to prevent this as much as possible. I have to say that I only have one Manolo Blahnik sandals. I don't have any other pumps like this. So I was kind of surprised that everyone was saying the Manolos run small and you have to take size down. I have quite narrow feet, so even in other brands when they say that you have to size down, I don't. I still have the same size in Louboutins as well. So I gambled and I ordered 36, which is my usual size, and they fit like a glove. They are not too tight. I actually have a bit of room here, which is perfect. So I hope that this will not wrinkle too fast. Hopefully, keeping my fingers crossed. But we will see. Just in case you didn't know the story, I'll tell you. And if you're not interested in the story, I'm showing you the outfits here, so you'll be fine. So why is this pair so special? Manolo Blahnik actually made original Mary Janes in 1994. It had a different heel. So if you see this pair with like a Baroque kind of style, I'm going to show you a photo here. This is the original design, so the heel was different. It was the 90s, so the style was different. We didn't have stilettos at that time yet. They came later. And it was just for one season. I think they were only available in America, if I'm not mistaken, but I'm pretty sure they were not available throughout the world. So this is why Carrie Bradshaw in Sex and the City said that this shoe is an urban myth, because it was only made for one season and only in one continent. So it was really difficult to find. You knew, if you liked shoes, you knew about it, but you didn't see them in real life because there were not that many pairs. And that was it. That was it for that year, and the shoe was out. And then the Sex and the City scene happened. You remember, oh, the urban myth. Of course, Manolo was not stupid. He knew that the increased interest will arise from that series, so he created it again. I think it was in 2008. Don't hold me on that, no, but I think it's in 2008. He put back the Mary Jane style, but he called it Campari. And now this year's are Campari new, but it's the same design, just the heel is different. The main difference from this pair and the other styles of Mary Jane's shoes out there is this part here. If you look closely, you will see on most shoes, this actually runs higher on your foot. This one is lower, and this makes the shoe looks very different on your feet, and one of the reasons why we like it so much. But also, if you didn't know, this pair is actually made from 3 different types of leather. Most of the higher end designer shoes are made all out of leather, and they are made out of quality leather, but Manolo is one of the few, or maybe even the only one, I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure it's rare, that he uses 3 different types of leathers for his shoes. For this one, the patent leather part is calf leather, the sole is cow leather, and the insole is goat leather. So you actually have 3 different types of leather in one shoe. Don't get me wrong, I adore my Gianvito Rossi. He's still my favorite designer as far as his shoes go, and I love him to death. But once I put those on, I didn't want to take them off. I really did not want to take them off because they are so soft on your feet. It's unbelievable, especially for patent leather shoes. So if you never tried Manolos before, once you do, once you have them on your feet for the first time, you will know why all the hype has been created for decades around this designer. So my plan for this is I'm going to wear them a few times, so the sole will kind of adjust to my feet, and then I will take them to my cobbler friend and he will protect them with the special sole. Because of course this, I don't want to ruin it, so I'll be careful. Usually I would do this like in a short video, but you cannot do a short video with Manolo Blahnik, you just can't. So thank you for watching, my friends. Tell me, do you have this pair in your collection, and also maybe you're planning on getting one pair? Let me know in the comments. Have a lovely day, and I will see you in the next video.